California dreaming about you.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Flame Fury 5 Gaming here with Waddle. Oh, and Lightning will be joining us in like 3 seconds. When he.
Chris,
Yo.
are you on Rocket League?
Yeah, I invited you.
I didn't get it.
This looks
Oh, I got
bad.
some keys. I got 5 keys from Waddle, my boy right here. My boy hooked me up with 5 keys, and I opened a crate, got nothing good. I just got this little Roadhog Wildfire, nothing much. But I've got 4 keys and 3 crates. Let's do this.
Honestly, I think I should B4 Tex versus B3. I will 1v2 B3.
And to be honest, you will probably beat us. Oh,
No, I
Killawatt.
won't.
Yes. Yeah, you will.
No, I won't.
I'm the best person on the team.
No, you're not.
Yo. Waddle, say it. I'm the best person on the team, right? Did Waddle's internet crash?
No,
Maybe
I'm
he.
just looking for a good shell for my car. He has the tool. What do you have on your Octane?
Split stream.
What is that?
Mystery decal.
Oh my god, I just got a mystery decal.
You did?
Hexed! No, I'm kidding.
Show me, show me.
I got
show
X double maxim on.
Show me, show me, show me. Show me what you
I
got.
didn't get it.
I don't care. Show me what you got. Show me what you got.
Oh, hey,
Let's see
look.
what you got so far.
Oh, la, la, la. I got Painted Spiralis!
What is that?
Yo! Black? Oh my god, these are the wheels I got rid of. I got my friend Heat with these. Of course, he put in some items, but I need to play around with this.
Whoa, what are those?
What, my wheels?
Those are cool. Yeah.
Yo. So, Lightning, you got a crate?
What for?
You'll see. You'll see in the trade. Okay, I got, what do you want? Oh, I'll do it for a turbo. I'll do it for a turbo. I don't have that much good stuff. Wait, no, I need that. That's literally everything I have that's besides, like, the limited stuff. I just need 1, dude. Oh, you're giving me 2. Hey, Waddle.
Yes.
Never mind. He took a turbo crate. I was gonna say, hey, Waddle, hook me up with another key. But then he took one out, and now I'm sad. Okay, guys, this is the final crate, and then we're gonna get into some games. If I get the titanium white and know which we saw earlier, I'm gonna flip.
Flower power decal, yeah.
Oh my god, are those painted septums? Those are painted septums.
Can I have the regular symptoms?
Painted certified!
What color? What color?
I don't know. Gray septums acrobat.
Can I have your regular symptoms now?
Mm-mm.
Yo, fudge that. Look, those are my normal ones, right? Yeah, those are my normal ones.
Dang it.
Yo! Wait, just look at them, look at them.
Dang.
Yo! First off, I get Black Spiralis from a trade up. And then I get gray, certified gray septums. Yo, that is insane. Waddle, I need one more key. I have one turbo crate. I have that, and then all this limited stuff.
No.
Do I need to give you my Black Spiralis?
Oh, I don't want to give you anything. I
For
don't
one
wanna give you-
key. Actually, they're probably worth 2 keys, but I'll do it for 1. Okay.
You just want a key for that
I want a
crate.
turbo crate! I want my fudging 20XX. I want a certified 20XX, or at least a heat wave that I can
Ooh.
put them on, Waddle. They actually look really nice.
No, I did. I put it on my gold car. Vroom, vroom.
Oh, I got the Aqueous.
I'll take it. I will honestly take it.
I'll take it. I want it. I want it. I want it.
No, I want it.
What will I get out of you, Lightning? Stop,
crates.
Waddle.
More crates.
Okay.
What will I get out of you, Lightning? Crates. Okay.
I want crates for crate opening I'm going to be doing. And I can't invite you to a trade, by the way.
Alright, so let me get off this then. Sure, boy.
What other crates do you have?
These are the only ones.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
Well, that's fine.
Yeah. Okay. Let's trade these up.
Those crates are the beginning of something brand new.
Breakout Vector! Yeah, no.
Hey, it's what I'm using right now.
Do you have 3 more? So, do you have any 3 more very rares from the turbo that I can trade up?
I have my...
Oh, come on. I just need 2 more. No, 1 more rare. Just 1 more rare.
One more rare. I have 2 very rares.
From what?
Turbo. I have a Snakeskin, Vector, and my Painted Septums, which I'm not giving you.
Okay, whatever. Just do it. Let's start a 1v2. I'll be on the blue team, and then you 2 can be on the orange team, and then we can see if I can win.
Which you probably will.
I probably won't. Mainly because
What are we doing? 3v3s?
2v1. He wants to see if he can prove himself. Oh.
Private match?
I forgot to change these.
What is X3?
Okay, that was my old team, okay? I left them because they were trash.
Has it been that long since you've... Oh, now you don't do your crappy kickoff.
Yeah, you're right.
Bald.
Waddle,
By the way,
stay back. I got offense, okay? No, you go for this kickoff. Okay. I think his internet died.
Alright, that's a goal for you. If
Is
you
that
make
good
it.
for defense?
Wait,
Yeah,
well,
but you need to stay back.
the X1 player is getting back on. About freaking time. Didn't think he was gonna get back on for the night. Gosh. Flame, don't miss, Flame! Man, you are. Oh, I know who would win in a 1v1.
Because I'm way too aggressive.
Yeah, I know. Dang it, I was just about to pop it.
No.
Flame, decide going too aggressive. It'll be your downfall. Ooh. I'm about to cut it on you.
No. You can't play that cute stuff on me.
This color is gross.
Tell me about it. I changed my camera angle just so you wouldn't be able to come up behind me and kill me. Like you just did.
Wait, so you change your camera angle so I can't blow you up, and then I blow you up.
Yeah. Suck it. Not this time. What the?
The pinch is too OP. Waddle, hit it down. Actually, no, never mind. Stay in that. Stay in that. He's gonna go off the wall and do that crazy stuff.
No!
I'm going everywhere, boy.
Not today. You almost blew me up.
I know I was going to.
I'm like, nope.
I took you off your momentum though, so that's what worked.
I'm not gonna let that go in on me. Especially if
Sure?
the shadows can flame. Yeah, I'm sure. Dang it.
I'm lagging.
Probably your internet.
Hit it, hit it, hit it. Ah!
Hashtag bald. Oh. Oh, I thought that was in.
This is practically a 1v1 right now.
And that's in.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
I love how you just called it as soon as you missed.
I was like, and that's in. I know you too well for you to miss that. I know you too well that you won't miss that.
Crap. I thought you were gonna come and kill me. I'm like, no. It didn't have any more boost. No. Okay, you can score it, please, please. All right, all right. Overtime, here we come. I'm like,
Okay,
take it to the
guys.
goal. Now you don't do your stupid little turtle kickoff. Ooh, the half flip bicycle kick. ball. I don't want you to kill me. I'm afraid you're gonna come up behind me and kill me.
Waddle, go! Get the ball! Get the ball! Hit the ball! Hit the ball! Hit the ball!
You're lucky I'm trying to be cute right now.
What does cute mean?
He's trying to be
It's a-
fancy.
Cute is stupid.
No!
No!
You steal my boost. You boost stealer.
So? No! Where's my fancy? Oh, I'm such an idiot.
Yes! Backwards aerial
No,
goal,
no.
baby!
I was actually gonna hit this. I was actually gonna hit that in. I was gonna hit that in.
Really? And then you hit it back.
Could I just go into a normal 2v2? I mean 3v3?
You only won that because I wanted to go into overtime. Right, let's lose my
Orange,
rank.
orange, orange.
You're not gonna lose your rank.
Yes! Rank is he?
What rank are you?
Gold.
Yeah, I bet you these are silver.
Savage.
Dang.
Hit them.
See, I told you
don't
he's
like
better than Pedal.
football.
Oh, that's the thing. I've never played with pedal, so how would I know what pedal plays like? I was trying to be cute.
What if
Also,
that one in the double?
Also, he plays
tap?
with real people, so of course he's gonna be better than pedal.
Oh yeah, true.
Pedal only does training.
He plays with bots.
Serious?
Yeah, he plays with bots.
Bots are. He can just let himself win then.
But that's the thing. When you play against bots, you play against bots to try like freestyling and stuff. He tries there. You don't try when you play against bots. Oh, and I forgot to mention, Waddle cannot hit an aerial, so if you set him up with an aerial, he cannot hit them. Okay.
Okay. Dang it! I messed with my double jump.
What the hell?
I'm glad you
I
didn't die,
never
though.
knew Pedal app. I'm surprised that Pedal plays with bots. He usually does training. Block on defense. I mean offense. Yay.
Guys, where were we? I'm going for the kill. Okay.
Oh, what a pinch. Oh, I clipped that. Nice.
Mr. Steal Your Grill.
Nice flame.
Oh!
What? No assist? Okay, thanks.
That was a nice assist, though. Dude, I watched the Camping Rusher play against Kenovi's girlfriend today on a stream. She's actually really good.
Yeah, I have her on my friends list.
Yo, we should hook her up for threes one day.
No.
Yeah, let's do it.
No.
Why?
Nice shot.
Thanks. I also did a little bit of fancy, you know. Just a little bit of fancy, just a little bit of fancy.
Why not?
What rank do you think these guys are?
Gold, silver, like low gold, high silver. I'd say. I got. Waddle, stay back.
I knew Waddle wasn't going to stay back, so I went back right away.
I don't like staying back unless I have fun doing it.
I'm in the air with no boost. I'm sorry.
Go!
I'm sorry.
I just tried sprinting
Look,
back.
I was like, you just see me fall, land on my back, and I'm like, there's nothing I can do.
I started
There
pushing
ain't
you.
nothing he can do. Nothing he can do. Nothing he can do. Nothing he can do.
Okay, then.
Yeah.
Come on. Just let me hit the ball. No. No.
I swear, I'm not playing.
You're lucky I'm here.
I was gonna actually hit that straight down. Flame,
That's out.
I can't get that.
give me a second. I'm gonna assess and I'm gonna exit out of this completely here. Okay, I think I should be good. I am lagging. Ow.
Not just steal.
Yeah. Did you see the attempt?
Hit two of them off. What? How did they score?
You said that so late. You're like, I hit two of them off right there. Like, I hit two of them off. Oh, they scored.
Shut the fuck up.
Ooh.
Yoy.
Oh!
The pinch of dreams.
Yeah, just feel the pain. You're glad I'm there.
Flame, it's not going in.
Yoy.
Get off.
Score!
There we go.
Flame!
Yes!
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 Now we can do overtime.
Yes, look at this. He was like, okay, and I'm like, flick it. I was like, flick it. And then it went in, I'm like, yes. Look at the score, though. 3-3 with 3 seconds left. I got it. Oh.
Yeah, I got it.
No, you don't.
Come on, bro. Just take a chill pill. No.
I'm in mid. No. Yes, keep hitting him.
Yep. Yoy. That goes in.
It's not going in when I have it. If it's slow and it's an aerial. There we go.
And
Went in.
not game.
That's in.
What?
Flame!
Oh my god! Lightning!
Yeah, Silver 1. Division 1.
Yo!
How are you not freaking out over what just happened?
I'm really about to cry. Yo, that is my best teamwork I've ever had in literally my entire career of Rocket League. Oh my god, I'm really about to start crying. Oh my god.
No way, though.
I was like, I got this. I was gonna redirect this so it would go up and into you, but it went right into you. They've got a Rocketeer.
That's okay, right?
Oh no. Isn't he like the top rank?
Yeah, that's like level 70. But
What?
rank doesn't mean anything.
What the hell?
Okay, yep. This guy's good.
They both are good.
And that's in.
Not as good as me, though.
Ha
These
They're
people
not
are
as good as me,
gold.
though.
They're gold.
Easily gold.
That's the
How's
thing,
the
you gotta play
Rocketeer
fast
not
pace.
their top?
Again, he might have started playing late in the season.
I like it whenever they don't score. It's funny whenever it just bounces off the rim.
I have no boost.
No.
Redirect. Okay, we all gotta spread out here. All get dunked on.
Hit one dude off of the ball. My leg. I always leg whenever I have a chance.
Okay,
Oh.
that was a nice shot.
That I need to
Oh,
do.
I hope this video gets uploaded.
What video?
This video. Because last time I tried posting a Rocket League video, it said unable to upload because it was like, the video format wasn't compatible with YouTube.
And how the hell did you just post the
That's what I'm wondering, because it said that before, and now it's like, nope, now you're fine.
Okay, Flame, I thought you were gonna hit that.
I did too.
Then I hit it.
Okay, can I please just... Flame, what the heck are you doing?
Oh my god.
How did you not hit that?
He did.
I did hit it. And it hit the back of my car. Yeet. Well, like, the turtle kickoff worked this time.
The turtle kickoff.
This stupid
No!
kickoff.
What the heck? It kept me out of the game! Okay, am I back? Okay, I'm back.
You were never out of the game.
No, like it sends me to the home screen at random times.
Want to hit the ceiling? Bouncing? Dang. I feel like I'm carrying it, guys.
Oh, you are.
Well, dang.
Oh,
I just like said, not onto that ball. Oh!
the assist! Yay!
Yo, look at this. You were like dribble. It's like dribble, 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 chip.
They didn't even try to stop you.
They
You
did.
you have 400 points over me.
Fake. Dang it. That fake would work.
Can we play factions after?
Oh, that's in.
Nice.
Oh my god. That's another assist for me.
We'll play factions later. I really want to play some Rocket League right now because I can't play on my Xbox. And
Why?
I'm really sad because my friend's dad is exhausted and I'm not allowed to go upstairs. Lag?
Are you at your friend's house?
Yeah. He's watching a movie though right now. And I
Oh,
didn't want to watch.
oh, that fake.
Oh,
That fake was so
That
dirty.
was such a good fake.
That was dirty. That was a dirty fake. I'm
Are
like,
you
psych.
like having a sleepover at your friend's
no.
house?
I usually stay until here like 1 in the morning.
One?
This
That's the one
Rocketeer is booty.
Really? we tracked.
He's booty.
You have more points than him.
Yeah. Again, the level doesn't necessarily. Oh, I was gonna say is that another goal. The rank they have doesn't necessarily mean they're good. It just depends. It just says how long they've been playing. So this guy's been playing a long time, but it doesn't mean he's good.
Yeah, I know that. Not mental illness.
You sound like
Oh,
it,
my
though.
bus driver today said, the person was driving on the other side of the road, so they could get to the turn faster. And my bus driver, you just hear him scream, "Are you special?" I was like, "Dang, you need to chill out." You just hear, "Are you metal? Are you special?" I was just standing there like, Jesus, chill out. Oof, 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 oof. Oh, baby.
Was that a good save?
No.
No. If they score with this much time left, I'm actually going to kill myself.
They're not. Oh my. Why did I say that?
Like, they're not though. And you're like, and then they score. Yo.
Snake venom.
Oh, right. Team practice tonight. I'm going to have to go after this.
Huh?
Team practice tonight.
What do you mean team practice?
Vortex.
For his team.
I have mental illness right now.
Did you see that save though?
I literally have mental illness right now. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Not today, bud. Not today. Oh, you gotta name this. Oh, Flame, you gotta name this vid Lightning is a baller. Because I balled so many people out today.
Oh, I will. Keep it on their side, Chris. Wow. Oh! Bicyclate of Dreams.
Set me.
Oh, and there's the game.
Score.
Nice
Score.
pass.
What is an OX?
Playmaker.
Oh.
I'm still ahead of you, Flame.
I hate you.
I've gotten the most assists.
What? That one him.
Do you see my assists? 3 assists.
Can we do one more or no? Do you have to go?
I have to do the team practice now.
Okay, guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. If you do enjoy it, please leave a like down below and subscribe. Oh my god, that was the most intense game.
What? Look what their level is. Silver 3.
Well, we'll see you guys later next time. Or see you guys next time. See ya.